a fun one for you today. I've dedicated 2 days to somebody who wants a bit of a cooking area done. Wants a pizza oven and stuff. And some bits. Oh God. These type of projects are great if they're for yourself. But when they're for somebody else, with the detail they want, the amount of time to do it, it's always tricky. I'm actually out of breath. Right, whilst I'm out of breath, I'm going to spin it around and show you what's happening. We're doing a pizza oven thing there. Or is that the pizza oven? I don't know. Then we got something going in there, something going in there, and here is a picture of the brief, which you can see. So they want that here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And we're using the old reclaimed bricks. And he wants some sort of a seating thing done here, brickwork going up the face. Curving brickwork around there, brick on edge going over the top of it. We're using the old reclaimed bricks. I love these bricks. If I was to build a house myself tomorrow, I would be using those puppies all day long. Right, I gotta go sort the first course out first. So yeah, I've asked him to set it out where he wants it, just so it's less me figuring out what's going on. So I shall set the time lapse up and we shall have a crack at doing something different. Well, yeah, it's all supposed to be level of ground and everything. I just laid my first course and it's been miles off. Oh, God. Oh, why did I say I'd do this? So, didn't really film much of it in the end because it was faffing about. But yeah, all done now. I've just finished off a bit behind the back as well, a little sitting area. So yeah, pizza anyone? You want a pizza? Call me.